Atlantic Business Systems has supported offices and organizations with office telephone systems. Nortel, a major brand for nearly 2 decades, had been installed in small to medium-sized businesses like yours. This high-performing line telephone system was not only easy to use, but extremely robust, with incredible phones with buttons and easy to use for day-to-day activity. No longer supported by the manufacturer, but we do. From a simple carrier cutover to a down systems diagnostic.
Atlantic Business Systems. Call us today or visit absofficephones.com. Phone system repair, phone system support, and managed services.